In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link multiple calendars to your Calendly booking page. We'll go through each step to ensure your calendars are seamlessly integrated, allowing for a more streamlined scheduling process. Whether you're balancing personal, professional, or project-specific calendars, linking them to Calendly can help you maintain a cohesive schedule. Let's get started on how you can achieve this integration in just a few minutes. First, we need to navigate to Calendly's front page. Head over to calendly.com and get comfortable with the interface if you're not already familiar with it. Once you're there, you'll want to go ahead and click on the Login button. It's typically situated at the upper right hand corner of the screen. This will direct you to your account login page. Next, you will need to enter your email address. After you've typed it in, click on the Continue button. This step establishes your identity, ensuring you're entering the right account. Now moving on, it's time to type in your password. Be thorough while doing so to make sure you can easily access your profile. Once entered, click on Continue to finalize the login process. Once inside your Calendly account, you'll find yourself on the home page. Take a brief moment to explore if you're new or haven't visited in a while. Now to set up our calendar integration, we need to head to the Integrations and Apps section. You can find this either on your dashboard or a few menus down in your settings page. Clicking here initiates your journey to connect your varying calendars. Now direct your attention to the selection options, where you will see Google Calendar prominently featured. Give that a click, as Google Calendar is commonly used and often the first calendar platform many choose to integrate. As with any integration, security and confirmation steps may be necessary, so allow access or authenticate as required. After you've selected Google Calendar, it's time to connect your calendar account. Seek out the option that clearly says Connect Calendar Account and click it. This action facilitates the linking of your Google Calendar to your Calendly profile, ensuring all your scheduled engagements are synced accurately. You'll now find an option to add calendars. This feature is particularly useful if you're managing multiple responsibilities and need a single interface to manage them all. Calendly gives you the ability to add additional